Yeah, hi trader. Today we will discuss about Litecoin, and I have opened 4 hour chart on TradingView application. So we will see where that Litecoin will go in future. Currently, it is moving around $319. Okay, so we will see what is the current support zone and what will be the next target for this Litecoin if we invest in this, and where after that if it break that level, where it will go. Okay, so I'll just make a note of this support. So currently it has made a recent support. So as you can see that previously that level was acting as a resistance. Okay, so it has broken that level with a strong candle and move upward direction, and now it is continuously making a lower high. Okay, so that is a lower high, that is a Dow theory. Okay, but as you can see that over here it has made a higher low. Okay, so this is the low and this is the higher low, and it has also given a divergence of RSI also. So if you see that on 4 hour chart, the RSI divergence is there, so we can expect that this price might go up. Okay, so as you can see that divergence of RSI is there. Okay, so I'll just point out the downward trend line for this Litecoin. So if you see that this is the downward trend line, and I'm expecting that this Litecoin will go to this level. Okay, so it will touch that level. Okay, that is a 343.37 level. Okay, it will touch that level, and if it break that level, then we can expect some new high in that Litecoin. And before making that high, we can expect the 393 level or 400 level in Litecoin, and then after that if it break this one also, then it definitely goes to 500 level or 600 level. But first it need to break this 340 level. Okay, but as of now, as it has already given a divergence on RSI, and it has made the lower higher low formation, we can easily expect 340 from this level, and we can invest in this. Okay, so that is for short term, and if I'll just make a note of this one, this is approximately 5 to 6%. Okay, 5 to 6% is a good for short term perspective, and if it break this level also, then we can expect 15% upward uh, after that also. Okay, so if we total up all these upward direction, so it would come around as a 20%. So we can expect that the Litecoin will definitely break that level, 340 level, and then it will go to 390 and 400 level. And if it break this one also, we can expect the higher new high in this Litecoin, and we can continue stay tuned with this Litecoin for longer term. So as you can see that over here it has also made a resistance trend line. So as you can see that currently it is moving in a one channel. Okay, so this is something like the channel over here. Okay, so if I try to explain you all guys, like this is what the Litecoin comes from the higher to the lower direction, and it has taken a support over here with the pin bar, and then it again move upward direction, then it again from that point it again came down, and from these 2 points I'm combining as a resistance trend line. But as we can see that this is making a channel pattern, and I can easily expect the 420 level in this if it break this 340 level. So stay tuned with me guys, like my videos, subscribe my channel. I will share more and more cryptocurrency technical analysis on this channel. Thank you very much guys, thank you very much.